The persistent "Please Wait" screen on the PlayStation Store across PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 5 consoles indicates a failure to load catalog data. This loading loop typically stems from connectivity issues, software glitches, or server-side bottlenecks. Network instability, including weak Wi-Fi signals, DNS problems, or internet service provider throttling, can impede data synchronization. Corrupted temporary files, or cache, can also trigger these loading loops. Furthermore, PlayStation Network server overloads during peak usage times can lead to timeouts. In some instances, outdated or buggy console firmware disrupts communication with the store's backend. Lastly, account-related issues such as region mismatches or account suspensions may also cause indefinite loading screens. This section has defined the issue and highlighted common causes to provide a foundational understanding of the problem. To resolve the "Please Wait" issue, begin by power cycling the console. Hold the power button for 7 seconds to clear the random access memory and reload services. Next, clear the console's cache by accessing safe mode. Hold the power button for 10 seconds and select Clear Cache and Rebuild Database. Resetting the network connection is crucial. Reinitialize the console's network settings, switch to public DNS servers like Google DNS, or use a wired Ethernet connection. Ensure the console's firmware is updated to the latest version. If issues persist, consider restoring default settings or performing a factory reset after backing up saved data. As an alternative, access the PS Store via a web browser or the mobile application to bypass console-specific glitches. To prevent future occurrences, enable automatic updates, monitor the PSN status via the official PlayStation website, and avoid accessing the store during peak usage hours. Regular maintenance, such as clearing the cache, can proactively mitigate these issues. By implementing these measures, users can effectively troubleshoot and prevent the "Please Wait" issue on the PlayStation Store.